everyone, welcome to our channel Learn to Grow. I hope every one of you is doing fine. After a long time I'm meeting you all, and after my 3 videos it is my next video here, and this video is basically for an announcement which I would definitely announce later. But before that I would like to share something about my former video that I had uploaded on these videos. My first video was regarding how to prepare for NET examination, and then Age of Chaucer, and then Canterbury Tales. In this particular video I will be bringing certain new things for you all, and my videos are especially for those students who are preparing for NET examination, SET examination, irrespective of any state, and those who are interested in English literature also. And I will be really glad if these videos will be helpful for you. And regarding my former videos, I have gone through the suggestions and opinions given by you, and I would like to thank you all from my heart, because you have pointed out my loopholes and the kind of technical errors those videos had contained. And definitely I can assure you that I will not make these mistakes again, and I have tried to get over these mistakes again. And yes, in this particular video I will be dealing with the syllabus of NET examination, and I will be also discussing different ages of English literature. As a whole, or in a concise manner, I can say that I am making these videos for a student of English literature and those who are preparing for NET examination. And my purpose is to make this subject very interesting for you all and easy too, because many of the time I have found that people who are reading English literature, they are not confident enough to say a word in front of an audience, or they feel that they feel inferior in themselves, that they think that they are not able to speak fluently in front of someone. And I think from my own experiences I can say that this subject is very career oriented and interesting in itself, and whosoever is taking this subject, they can also make career out of it. Because me as a student, or me as a person, I can assure you, because I myself had this subject in graduation, in my masters, and I did my PhD also with this subject. And now I feel really glad that I could cultivate my interest in it, and now I'm earning out of it. So from this thing you can also get an inspiration that whosoever is studying this subject, make sure that you are going to earn out of it, because whatever you are doing now on is just a kind of investment in your studies. And I think if you will learn from some good source, you will really able to get success out of it. So I think I can just assure you that through these videos you will really feel helpful, and I think you will really get some kind of help. Okay, so now I will be talking about NET examination. NET examination, National Eligibility Test, राष्ट्रीय पात्रता परीक्षा जिसे आप बोलते हैं. So this video is focused upon English literature, NET examination in English literature. Many of you must be a student of English and want to make your career out of it. So I can assure you this platform is for you, because here I would like to make this subject very interesting and easy for you all. Because many of the time I have found that many students who are studying this subject found it really hard and tough to grasp upon, and they cannot even think about making a career out of it. But I can assure you, it is just about your interest, persistence, and your hard work that you can earn out of it. So talking about NET examination, when I had given this examination, the syllabus was definitely different, and the pattern was also a bit different of question pattern was different. But now when I had gone through these papers, I have found that the examination is multifarious. Like, they are asking you out of this subject, they are asking you certain grammar also related with it, and now there is one more portion added with English literature, which is literary theory. I think examiners are very serious about this thing, literary theory, which has become an indispensable part of English literature now. I mean, you can go for research and you can go for higher studies, you will find that these theories have become indispensable part of this subject. It can be feminism, it can be new criticism, it can be historicism, and many other theories are there, you will find. And I think I'm sounding very familiar to those who are studying this literature. And so I can assure you that my videos will drop a light upon all the areas of this paper, and I will be dealing with the subject also, I will be dealing with theories also, and later on I will be discussing grammar portion also. But first of all, you have to make a mind that if you are going to appear for this examination, you have to work really hard upon your subject knowledge, then your theories, and then you have to go through those past year papers, because going through past year papers give you a different kind of confidence, and there you will find multi type of questions, and you can make up a mind that yes, this is the portion where I have to work upon. So I can just say that with me you have to work really very hard, because we are going to take every aspect of this paper, and I just want, and I can feel for you all, because whenever you are studying some subject, you have some kind of opinions, or you have some kind of aspirations too with that subject. And being a student of English literature, I can tell you that this is a global language, and wherever you will go, you will need this language. So studying a language is different, but making a career out of it is a different thing. And if you want to make a career out of it, you have to work really hard, and it is not tough. I can assure you that it is not tough. You just have to follow me, and you have to follow my videos too. The kind of instruction that I would give you will be in your benefit, because I will be dealing with each of the thing in a very thorough manner. It can be related with the subject, with the theories also, and with the grammar portion also, because now I am seeing the trend, because they want to see you as a whole. They not want to check your subject knowledge, rather at the same time they want you to learn the new trend that are becoming very very much part of this language. So talking about NET examination again, you will find that from the very beginning you will see Old English literature, you will see age of Chaucer, you will see Middle English, you will see age of Pope, you will see Augustus age, then Shakespearean age. Many ages are there, you all must be knowing this thing, but you have to be very keen with these things, because in all the ages you will find certain authors, you will find their works, you will find that when they were published, what are the specialties of those works. So you have to make yourself thorough with that, and then you have to read about critical theories too. I will make separate videos on literary theories, because as a researcher I have gone through all these theories, and many students found these theories very tough too, because sometimes these theories sound very alike, but believe me, they are not alike. There were certain differences too, and the founders itself says certain things about these theories. So you have to make a sharp eye upon all the arenas of this paper. And talking about the people who are interested in this subject, I will make separate videos too. And at the end, I can just say that I am in a profession, I am working as an assistant professor, so I get very lesser time to make videos for you all. But from now on, I can assure you that you will find my videos time to time, and I will try to be updated with this channel. At the end, I can just say that study very hard and don't lose hope. If you have taken this subject, it is very much career oriented, and you can definitely earn out of it. And I think if you will work hard, your future is going to be your future is going to be really bright. And at the end, thank you all, wish you very good luck.